Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jar, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. We got an in-hand review of these Air Jordan Retro 7 Sapphire. They came out on Saturday, but basically, you call them the Easter joints, you know what I'm saying? Easter Jordans, what you want to call them. But these, not bad at all. When you see them in hand, they actually look really, really good. And actually, when I did pick up pairs, people was actually picking them up, getting them actually, so. People was actually liking the shoe. Shoe look better in hand. So it was overall a good day, you know what I'm saying? So everybody had a good Easter yesterday. Hope everybody ate good, you know what I'm saying? But it's back to work. It's about to get back everything back in motion. But like I said, we got an in-hand review of these Air Jordan 7 Sapphire. Comment down below, man. You picked up a pair from Sneakers. You know what I'm saying? You picked up a pair from Hibbits or anything like that. Let your boy know down below. Like and subscribe if you're new, man. Not further ado, let's go get to the video. So like I said, beginning of the video, like I said, I got an in-hand review of these Air Jordan 7 Sapphire. Retail price was 200. Was it 210? It was 210, by the way. It wasn't no 200, no 190. The retail price was 210. To be honest, I think the price was a little too high. But hey, Air Jordans, all types of shoes going up now. Dunks going up now. A lot of stuff is going up in prices right now, which is crazy. But hey, that's what's going on right now. But like I said, retail price was 210, so our taxes was like 230-ish around that range. But I think this shoe will definitely be a shoe that people will sleep on down the line. Be like, damn, I wish I'd have grabbed that shoe. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, when you see the shoe in hand, it looks way, way better. Off of pictures, it won't do justice. But like I said, when you see the shoe in hand, you be like, oh, okay. So, but there's too much talking, man. Let's go get that shoe out, man. There it goes. So usually, like Air Jordan 11s will come in this box. And 7s do comes in this box as well. So you got your pink, you got your blue Jordan, you got the white Jumpman logo. It's not a personal size, so I can't give you guys our own feet, but it's a size 9, and it only came in man sizes. And come in grade school sizes, toddler, preschool. That'd have been Friday did a full size running these though. If you really think about it, like on look, like when I show y'all the shoe, I'm like, damn, but if I got that for my little daughter, son, little sister, niece, whatever, it'd have been fire for sure, man. But read it out to you guys. So it says Air Jordan 7 Retro SE, shimmer black, sapphire, size 9. Like I said, retail price was 210. So, hey, I think the price was too high, but it's all good though. Let's go get it out. Nothing too crazy on the paper, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. No too crazy on the paper. Bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 7 Sapphire joints, man. Clean, super clean colorway. Like I said, this shoe looks way, way better in hand. The material, the suede, the nubuck on the upper of the shoe, super smooth. You can tell it's two tones from around the toe box up here as well. Two tones of the suede and the colorway of it. Like it's like a shimmer color. It's not like a white or a gray, it's a shimmer, that's what they call it. So not too bad. Let me go get the other shoe out. Go, man. My favorite part on this shoe is the see-through netting right here. You can see like the pink and the hints of that. It's like a, I wouldn't say it's a blue. It's like more like a purple. I wouldn't say it's more of a blue. It's like more like a purple to me. And also it's like that see-through netting. I love that see-through netting, man, for sure. That's one of my favorite parts of the shoe. But anyway, let's go talk about the shoe, man. Also, you got your translucent outsole with your pink Jumpman logo. Go along with the midsole here. You got your dark gray midsole with your white speckles. I'll call these mountains. You got your black mountain, you got your little bit hints of the white. The toe box here, so it's two different tones, if y'all could tell, on the upper of the shoe. The whole upper of the shoe is suede, by the way, but it's two different tones, if y'all could tell. Like a light shimmered, and it's like a dark. So they basically the same materials, like a nubuck suede. It's a smooth, not a rough suede or anything like that. So when I rub on it back and forth, you really can't tell. But the toe box here, you got your Jordan along. Spells out Jordan on the toe box here. And like I said, I love the netting, the see-through netting right here on the midsole as well. And also right here on the side, right by your ankle, you got your black Jumpman with the see-through netting as well. And on the back of the heel, of course, you got your 2-3. You got your pink and white Nike Air inside of the shoe. Shimmer laces as well. So I think a lot of people will sleep on this shoe or be like, oh damn, I wish I'd have grabbed that shoe around that time. But like I said, stuff happens, you know what I'm saying? Jordans come and go, but around March, April will be super slow on releases. And any release for real, honestly, Jordan, Nike, Dunks, like all that type of stuff be super slow. So this one too bad, but this is one of them sleepers that's gonna sit on walls for a little while, but not too long, if that makes sense to you. But a lot of stores ain't get these, like Foot Lockers and Champs. Only stores that got these will be like, I got these from corporate, by the way. In case you're from Cincinnati, I got these from corporate. Or like City Gear or Hibbett. No Foot Locker, no Champs didn't get these. Will I be shocked that they get these later down the line? No, I would be not shocked. Because a lot of times, stores like, or like on Sneakers app or like anything, like I said, City Gear or Hibbett would get. Foot Locker will tend to get down the line, but not at that exact moment. They be trying a little funny sometimes. But overall rate for these, I give these about a 9 out of 10. Like I said, a high rate because the material, the colorway, and then just it pops out. Dope in the summertime for sure. Can definitely go wrong with this with colorway at all. That means I always tell people go a half size up. Normally because, like I said, you got that sock liner inside of the shoe. Y'all could tell right there. It's like a sock liner inside of the shoe. I don't know the exact terminology of it, but correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below. Let me know your boy down below. But like I said, I always tell people go a half size up, like in these or retro 8s. Anything with that sock liner inside of a shoe, I always go a half size up. If you get your shoe size, your foot gonna be tight for sure. Now I'm gonna sit here and lie to y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I always go a half size up. So if you wear that 9, get that 9.5 in these. If you wear that 10, get that 10 and a half. In case y'all didn't know, y'all wearing like, what size should I get retro 7s or retro, well, I say retro 8s, my bad, I had a little slow moment. But yeah, make sure you always go a half size up for sure in retro 7s and 8s, most definitely, trust me. Always go a half size up. But like I said, retail price on these was $210. After tax was like $230. The resale value on these is not going too crazy right now. So in case you missed out, just go ahead and get it on GoStockX. You know what I'm saying? You're not missing out on nothing because like I said, after taxes was $230. And then the smaller size is not going for too much, or the bigger size is not going for too much either. So like I said, if you missed out, go ahead and grab it, get your chance, go ahead and grab this shoe. But that is it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, man. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms down below. My TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Couple more videos this week, man. So make sure you tune in. Make sure post notification bell is on. You'll be the first one to know when I upload, anything like that, man. So I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Jared1 is out. Peace.